Hello, can you? I think we'll just wait for a while, just to check if everything's working, and then yeah, we can start with the episode two of Builder Fridays. You can you can look into that. I'm just checking on the audio because the last time also it was okay. I think it's good. So welcome to the second episode of Builder Fridays. I'm Rohan here, the co-founder, and really excited to show you with very interesting examples that our team has picked this time what Deolite is capable of, Deolite Alpha. Um, this will cost us a lot of tokens, but it's fine, and I'm more than excited. So let's directly go ahead. I'll be sharing my screen. Can you guys see the screen? I'll just ask again. If you can reply on the chat uh, that whether my screen is visible. Great. I think we are good to go. And yeah, so I'll just go to the product itself and let's start with it. So I would like you guys to give me some idea on what we can build and let's get started with it. Uh, and let's see how Deolite kind of gets this sorted out. So a gamified to-do app is the first request that we've got across, and so let's see what it can do. So I just go here. I'll say create me a gamified to-do app. So we're starting with the simple prompt. I'm telling you, but the the prompts and the examples should get wilder and should get edgier. That's what I'm expecting from all of you. So let's see how it performs with it. So I've chosen React and TypeScript and Tailwind as my preferable stack, and let's see how it performs with that. So it is generating the overall code step by step. It is generating modularized components, as you can see, user profile, to-do item, to-do form, and it is showing you also what it is doing through the simple tick and a loading system. And once this ticker or an indicator is fully done, then we'll be able to automatically go to the preview. So the product Deolite Alpha will automatically take you to the preview and will show you the final result. So let's wait and let's see what it builds. I think it is done with most of its components, and it is just doing the final app.tsx file. Once that is done, let's see how it builds out. So yeah, I think it works, and let's see what the preview is for us. Oh my! So you can see it's a gamified preview. So if I have a level index, I have an achievement of a taskmaster, consistency king, health hero, if I do some health related task, I need to get jogging, by the way. So anything. So we can add also need to do a 10K run on Sunday. And I can put this also. Where is Sunday, 6th of April, health. This is added a task. This is 13 points. Okay. And do a YouTube live stream for the second episode of the Fridays BF. Uh, so today, this is work 11 points. Okay, you see, I need my priority is right. I need to do a 10K run. So you can see it's also popping up. You want 11 points. Continue. I click, you want 13 points. And what is 11 plus 13, guys? It's 24. So you can see it's doing crazy good on what we'll be able to achieve. And I think you can also deploy this. I'll just deploy this. So we have a Netlify based integration. So it'll automatically create your site, it'll automatically build and deploy, and eventually you'll see a Netlify based link that is going to show you what we just created. This is building and deploying our gamified to do app. And this is all on the fly, by the way. There's no templatizing, nothing on that sort. It's just a powerful AI front end engineer for you. So you can see the link is here. I'll also give it to you guys. So you can also check that this is no bluff. I put in the chat. You can check that out. Yeah, I think it works. It works crazy well. And I'm looking on for the next task now. So let's wait. So you can go back to a new chat by simply clicking on the Deolite logo. By the way, I'm sitting in a work cafe, Slay by Core Mangla. So create a futuristic e-commerce website for spaceships. Okay, this is a hard one. Let's see how does that make a. I'm using React and Tailwind only because that's the most seamless. Uh, and yeah, I think for I'll just put buying and selling spaceships just to be a little more clear. And let's see how this performs. Futuristic spaceship e-commerce website. I would have loved if you would have provided a name, but it's okay. It's fine. So let's see what this brings out of our product. So spaceships.ts is the file, guys. That is the file of the future. Uh, let's see what that is. So you can see it's creating components. It is creating a navbar component. It has created a card context component, all on the fly. The name is Cosmic Vessels, by the way. I think based on the package.json metadata, Cosmic Vessels is a nice name. Is there anything else? Not yet. And for all those who are asking whether there is not a favicon here, it will be there soon. The next update is that, and yeah, let's see what is bringing on the table. So it's creating multiple components because as you see, we're buying spaceships here. It's no small business. So you will need some detailing, you will need some components. It's not as simple as a first prompt of or a first comment of to do gamified app. It's actually, so we also have testimonials. I hope the testimonials include Elon Musk, but let's see what this brings about. It's still building out, and we're almost there. I think we've created the homepage. So yeah, let's wait and see how our spaceship ecom site is. So uh, based on the same, I would like to see futuristic logo, a futuristic style onto this. Uh, let's see how it handles that. There's a spaceship detail page. Okay, so you're buying a rocket, a launcher, anything else. Let's see. Okay, it's created a spaceship detail page now. It's now creating a cart page. Hmm. I think we have finally done, and it's now finally running the app.tsx. It's running npm install. So you can see before we go into this, I think we're there. Let's see what the preview is. Nice. The future of interstellar travel is here. So the image thing is still a little nuanced, but you can see the on hover animation. You can explore by category. You need an explorer ship, you need a fighter ship, you need a freighter ship, you need a luxury ship, you need a mining ship, you need a passenger ship. What our clients say. So Zara Vex is talking about Stellar Raptor. I mean, this is crazy of what it is actually capable of. And so I add to cart here. There is a shop page also. So you have filters. You have the price range from $0 to $100 million. I don't know what is your budget, but 3.2 mil is okay. 7.5 mil is also nice. If I go here, so you can see the images is something we're currently working on a fix, but that will be there soon. But you can see everything else is spot on, and it has named also it as a cosmic vessels galaxy. What is it? Galaxy's premier marketplace for luxury spaceships and interstellar vessels. If that isn't crazy, I don't know what is. And it's also responsive, by the way. You can search your spaceship. So stellar. Let's see. Search is still not there, but it's fine. Uh, about, let's see, about is also needing development, but I think the core pages are there. Stellar Raptor, shopping page, technical specifications, featured vessel, financing option. All these additional things are also there. FAQs. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll not deploy this because that will take a lot of time and we are short on time. But yeah, I would love to see the next message on what needs to be the prompt. 90s style Google landing page. Let's see if we have any other comments. We'll also do a 90s style Google landing page. That's a very interesting idea. Okay, I think this is the prompt. So 90s style Google landing page. 90s style Google landing page. I think we also have a uh, debut. I think my credit has expired. I will need to I will need to update that. So Prakhar, if you can do the needful, I don't want them to see our alpha admin.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, just one moment, guys. So you see, it's costly for us, guys. It's not easy money. It's a lot of marketing and it's a lot of other things. So just give us 1 minute. Prakhar is updating my account credentials. I have exhausted my limit. We need to put a console log on this that it does not show an error, but actually a free trial expired. But it is not there yet. Uh, we're focusing corely on the core optimizations, like building a premier Galaxy Space thing. But yeah, I think in a minute we will be there, guys. We will be able to see a 90 style Google landing page that just works flawlessly. I think the cosmic one, all the whole animations and everything that cost a lot of tokens for us. But yeah, I think let's just wait for a minute, guys. We'll be there. Meanwhile, you can check out the gamified to do app. You can use it yourself, by the way, because I think it already stores the local cache data. So yeah, I think it'll work. I think it's done. I've been shown the thumbs up. So let's try it out now. So a Google landing page, 90s style. So 90s inspired. I'll just reload. Okay. 90s inspired Google landing page. Let's see. I hope this works. Yeah. I'll create a 90s inspired Google landing page with all the nostalgic elements from that era. Let's see what we'll have here. I think we're almost there because it is a simple page with a stylizing thing. Let's see what we'll have here. So it has generated. Oh, it is also generated. I am feeling lucky button. Oh, not bad at all.
This is actually how the page looked like.
Yes. Can we search what is Deolite Alpha?
I mean, I don't think the Google search is integrated.
You searched for, I think the pop-up
Yeah,
itself is nice enough because we're only focusing on front end, so you will have that thing.
if you
But yeah,
ask it to integrate the API, then it will do that later on, but yeah, that's a whole different story.
You can integrate an API on this, which will allow you to do all of these hardcore backend related tasks. But you can do that. That's not a problem. But yeah, I think it's pretty close. So this visitor count is also there. 1998 under construction. All that is there. So pretty good. Let's see what the next prompt is. Product launch page for an Indian sneaker brand. I'll name the brand as Alpha though, if that is okay. Product launch page for an Indian sneaker brand. Build a product launch page for an Indianized sneaker brand called as Alpha. Enter. So you can also do enter, guys. That's also one of our major improvements and differentiations. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what this brings about. Uh, we also can integrate GSAP and 3GS based animations. That will add a lot more flexibility. You can check my LinkedIn. Yesterday, I reposted one of our users' forest portfolio website or something like that. So we created all of that through Daylight Alpha, and it was really interactive and really nice. So I think we are living in the future. I want to see how it defines the products and everything. But let's see. It's creating newsletter. It's creating photo because it's a launch page. I'm assuming Alpha, the sneaker brand, not Alpha, Deolite Alpha, is having a newsletter thing also. But you can, what I would really want to help you understand is you can see the detailing in all of this, right? You can see when we created that Galaxy page, Cosmic Vessels, there's so much detailing on all of these things, on the testimonials. It was all relevant. It was all very much well well structured and well written. So it's not also about the overall quality, but it's also about the detailing inside it. Oh, pretty good. I didn't know Alpha had a Nike-like logo, but it's fine. It's fine. Alpha Kerala, Alpha Rajasthan. This is fun. I love the names. Alpha Rajasthan has a reddish bluish tone. Alpha Kerala has a black and white tone. Varanasi has a blue tone. Why choose Alpha? Eco-friendly materials, artisan crafted, free shipping, easy returns. Alpha was born from a passion to celebrate India's rich cultural heritage through contemporary footwear. It's pretty cool. So Priya likes Alpha sneakers, Arjun likes Alpha sneakers, Neha likes Alpha sneakers. Join the Alpha family, guys. I don't know if you've not joined our waitlist. I'll just put it out here again because brand promotion is important, guys. So you have to do that. You can join the waitlist here if you're already not on the waitlist. So yeah, I think we are good. We are quite good. Can we see our story? Yeah, I think we can. Can we see the products? Yeah, we can. Anything else that we can do for you? Uh, Something interesting, something edgy. That'll be really fun. I think we can do one last one because it's almost 5, and people are, I hope, not annoyed with our output because it is pretty good. I was not expecting the images, but images are also there. The story thing also has a really nice holistic overview image in that. So yeah, with Alpha, you're not just wearing sneakers; you're wearing in a piece of India's living heritage. And when you use Duelet Alpha, you're not just using any other product; you're walking in a piece of India's technological innovation. That's how I like to say it. Yeah, tell me, Kush. Flappy Bird with Jeff Bezos' image. Nice, nice. So I will do that. Uh, I will also deploy this. Let's try and deploying it because I think e-commerce people who are looking to, you know, do a lot of these things, they can see how good of an output Alpha has been able to create. And let's see how we get there. And then we'll do your the last one. I am really excited after this when we deploy this and we try with the game thing. Because game is something that will be interesting for us to even experiment. We've not tried building games with Alpha, but because Builder Fridays is all about being on the edge, being wild, I think we can do that. Yeah, it's deployed. I'll just copy it and paste it here. You guys can check it out. And yeah, now let's do a final and the craziest one. So I don't know about. I had a fellow friend Noah. He was building something similar a while back. So let's see if we are able to deliver something similar. Flappy Bird, create me a Flappy Bird game, but with Jeff Bezos' image instead of the bird. I think it will be tough, but let's see what we are able to do. We are alpha coders, guys. We can't submit to the everyday, uh, day-to-day lifestyle. We have to challenge ourselves. We have to think outside the box. So it's creating game.tsx. I let's see. I think it will take bit of time, but then that's why we are all here. Let's see what Alpha can do, and yeah, let's see if it's able to build a game for us. Hmm. Let's see.
It's taking time.
By the way, during this live stream, also we also have Prakhar with us. I don't know if you guys
Still
can.
invisible, I guess.
Yeah,
Everyone,
yeah. You are talking to the two people who are talking to us, but I
hey, the
hope
two good people,
who are
thanks
one.
for joining.
Yeah, let's see. I am really excited about this one, and I'm also nervously scared. But yeah, let's see.
Hey, open the PNG. Created a little PNG, the assets. Okay, you need to. Okay, I got it. What was the prompt?
Prompt was create me a Flappy Bird game, but with Jeff Bezos inventions of
Okay,
the word.
okay. Scroll down a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, looks like it's Travis one because
yeah.
it went on to create PNG images by itself. That's the probable
Okay.
reason of this not working out.
Can we create like a Chrome game or something, or
The Dino game.
the Dino game?
Yeah, we can try that.
Let's try. I think this is start. So this it did not work well, which is okay. Create me.
Just mention this that do not use any PNGs.
Create me a Flappy
Use
Bird game.
icons only.
No need to use PNGs. Just use icons.
Yeah.
So how does that kind of you can help our viewers understand how does that make a difference?
So it actually went on to create an entire image all by itself, which
Okay.
is clearly not possible. You cannot create an image with text. I mean, it's not an image generation model.
Right,
So
right.
that's why it's a little hallucination. It went on to being very creative,
So
and he really went to create a Flappy Bird game, which was bound through some restrictions that we have on place.
got it, got it. So as you can see, guys, we're not replacing you in any way soon. If you are creating a game, then it's okay. Otherwise, yeah, you have the risk. Uh, but no, I think it has created something this time.
Now it has gone through.
Yes, if you're let's see npm install. What does the full form of npm?
NPM is the package manager essentially, which gets the packages and everything. Okay, now
Okay.
we have. Oh, okay, great. We can do it also.
I am not good at this game, though. Yeah, I think full screen will be better because it is.
The height is bigger than the one we have. It would be great if you deploy this, yeah. So that now this game will be usable in a real phone. Or,
I'm not able to play this game. What is happening is
no,
it's,
no, 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 no. Hmm.
I think space dabra hai, so that's why it's kind of losing its touch.
Oh,
See, this is
एक
the
करने पे ऊपर
hallucination.
जा रहा है. That's fine.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. The game logic is not very perfect. The game UI is great, but the logic has some issues.
that's why we're an AI
It
front end
should,
engine. Yeah.
yeah, it should. I got it. It's considering the entire thing as a wall. So as you approach the pillars, you die. Your bird dies. Yeah.
But yeah, I think we did something interesting, guys. I think this was crazy. So this is the end of the episode, guys. I hope you liked what we're seeing, all the two of you, and yeah, we obviously this video is out there. We will share you the reels and all of that. But super happy to show you guys the product, its capabilities, and how good Alpha is. Yeah, so thank you so much once again, and happy Friday, guys. You're not getting replaced. Okay.